love got so many faces that
It's the way that
each and every one of us
I'm falling
may
in
define
love
it
with
in
you.
a different manner. My
It's the
definition of love
things that you
might not be
say,
applicable to
I
both of
think
you
you
or to
really
any one of
want
you.
to.
But there is only one thing
I
wherein
can't
it
remember
is
the
always
time or the
applicable
volleyball
to each
court
and
with
every
your
one of
tatted
us.
jean shorts.
And this is the
Was
love
the
of
look on your
Jesus.
face? Now I'm falling in love with
Baba,
you.
13 years ago, you
I'm
conquered my
falling
world
in
by
love.
exactly who you are. I remember that day when I saw you. Nasabi ko na lang sa sarili ko, thank you Lord. Totoo
I'm
nga pala talaga
falling
ang
in
love at first
love.
sight. And that was the time I started praying and dreaming that one day, papakasalan ko ang babaeng ito sa harap ni Lord.
June 2007, second year high school. I never thought I'd met my soulmate at that early year. But since then, you have been one of the most greatest blessings of my life. I guess it's true that the best love story is when you fall in love with the most unexpected person. We kept our relationship to my family but stayed open to yours. We've been through a lot and it was never easy, but definitely worth it. P.S. That's the perks of having a strict mother.
Tanda mo rin ang Tanda mo rin ba ang pagtago natin ng gala at paiba-ibang pakilala sa akin? May pa, may mapa, may paalam lang kita. Hanggang sa mapakilala mo ako isang bakla. Gulat ako, besh. Bahala na maging bakla sa harap ng mga magulang mo.
And as we know, they wanted to be married in the church. Maybe for the very simple reason also. Aside from they love each other, but because they love their faith. And the love of faith demands something. And these were some, we may say that we may have a different understanding.
I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love yesterday. I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love yesterday.
May sound cliche, but you're the most patient, understanding, loving, and sweetest and the most romantic boyfriend, even if we're thousands of miles away because of your work. Dada, thank you for not giving up with my most bad attitude. Thank you for more than 13 years of being together. You never gave me the chance to doubt your love, loyalty, and honesty to me. Because you're giving more than enough.
The demand of faith in marriage is that we are helping God in His creation. And why did we say that we are helping God in His creation? We are because marriage or husband and wife, they belong to the procreation. They help, as what the saying says, go and multiply.
On this day, with this hand, I will lift your sorrow. Your cup will never be empty. For I will be your wine. I'll be your candle. I will light you in the darkness. I promise to support your dreams and respect our differences. and to love, be by our side through all the days and the night of our lives. And with this ring, I ask you to be mine always and forever.
Know that I accept and love every inch of your flaw. I know you're happy that you're marrying your first girlfriend, but I am more than happy and blessed to be marrying my first boyfriend. I love you, Dad.